he's looking for more toys. I see. What you got? What are you doing? Oh, don't eat that, honey. That could hurt you. Hi, Dinger. Hi, Dinger. Oh, look what we got here. Oh, he's like, oh, I love those. I love those. Ouch, that's my finger. There we go. There we go. Sweet boy.